Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Look why Bitcoin Cash will destroy Bitcoin and will outperform it. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You are going to get easy profits, you are going to get altcoins that will pump, and eventually you're going to get many other benefits, including an automated system with 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to BCH USDT and BCH against Bitcoin charts. Right now we had a nice pump for Bitcoin Cash, but is this just a fake out or is this just the beginning of something beautiful? Let's find out. First of all, on the daily frame, what do we have is that we have the stochastic RSI into an oversold situation. Same with the Fisher transform right here. Look at how oversold we are, and of course the daily RSI almost approaches 70, but it didn't fall down. Instead, we had the commodity channel index falling down from the minus 100 right here, the bottom line. Okay, it is near the minus 100 the way I did it. Okay, it is around there. All right, so I cannot find it with anything right here. Anyway, let's proceed to the technical analysis. You understand that the bottom line is minus 100. We went further down for the commodity channel index and we will be climbing back up right now on the next days and to the next weeks, especially the next weeks, and I will explain why. First of all, look at the Bitcoin Cash USDT bottom tweezers on the monthly frame. If you think that the highest was 383, you should be reconsidering your thoughts, because this is not the highest Bitcoin Cash will go. It will just explode, possibly a 70% uptrend. Okay, in a 70% uptrend profit target, which is incredibly strong, right? It is very, very good. So BCH will just explode again. Let's go back to BCH against Bitcoin chart. We had a nice outbreak on the 4-hour frame. Could this be a fake out? Well, we have a crazy high risk right now with the commodity channel index on the 4-hour frame. It seems like we might be having a little bit of correction, or this is just the start of something crazy. I'm not sure what of these are. Normally, I would say that from now we correct a little bit on the 4-hour frame. Okay, normally this is the normal price action that we should be having, correcting a little bit, going further down into the next few hours. But at the end of the day, I'm going to show you something, and this is the reason why I do not know when Bitcoin Cash will just explode. Okay, it is this one right here, a monthly bullish RSI divergence on the monthly frame. Look at that. This is just something crazy. Okay, I do not know how much it will pump. We have a higher low on this stochastic RSI as well. We have a higher low on the Fisher transform. I cannot believe that with a lower low we have a higher low on the commodity channel index. This is insane. Okay, this is insane. I do not know what it will happen, when it will explode, but it can go from where we are right now massively towards a 55% profit target right here. Look at that, 55-60% profit target. Look at that. It can go insane. Yes, it can. And I'm just telling you that because it could be in the next few weeks. Okay, it could be in the next week. It could be today. All right, no one knows. One thing is for sure, that we are seeing crazy bullish stuff on the monthly frame. This is absolutely insane. Okay, so BCH is going to destroy Bitcoin. It is going to outperform Bitcoin, and we are going to see probably a huge pump from BCH against Bitcoin chart. And look at that. Now is the time that we might be having a round bottom pattern for BCH and against Bitcoin, and therefore we just literally go crazy. Okay, so going back to BCH against USDT chart, right now BCH against USDT is not so strong because Bitcoin is just not so good. It doesn't look so great. Okay, Bitcoin is struggling today and we are going a little bit further down, while Bitcoin Cash is outperforming Bitcoin. That's why we have a nice +5 to +6% profit target. However, if I had to see the 4-hour frame rate here on the USDT, I would tell you that we can go further upwards. Okay, we do not have any crazy overbought situation right here. On the other hand, for BCH against Bitcoin chart, if I had to see the 4-hour frame, and I'm zooming in again and again because I was on the monthly frame, then I would say that we are probably going to correct. Okay, this is a crazy overbought situation. This is a crazy 4-hour frame plus 6% pump that eventually could bring us down. Although on the daily frame, I have to admit that we have not seen yet the highest, and we are having an oversold situation. This is the crazy part on the daily frame. Okay, we are having an oversold situation. Look at that. Stochastic RSI commodity channel index just went upwards, but we can just potentially explode, right? The Fisher transform right here into an oversold. I mean, do not pay attention to the 4-hour frame. Yes, on the 4-hour frame we might be going a little bit further down, right? But do not pay attention to the 4-hour frame. Please pay attention to the daily frame, pay attention to the weekly frame, because BCH against USDT is going to explode as well. Imagine if BCH against Bitcoin chart goes up 70%, then of course, even if Bitcoin drops down, BCH will just explode higher than the 380, could probably go to 440 to 500 and so on. Okay, this could be literally an explosion from BCH, just like we had back. If you remember, I was telling you back then that BCH is going upwards. Do not worry, BCH will be going higher. See the daily frame. I think for me, this is the best one, so you can relax your mind. Check the daily frame, it looks pretty awesome, and of course the monthly frame looks way better as well for BCH against Bitcoin chart. Okay, so the next price targets for BCH against USDT into the next weeks will be the 400 and 420, around there. Okay, we are going to have a 420, and if we assume that we have already achieved the bottom, I can draw a fib from the top to the bottom. Okay, sorry about that. This is it. Okay, so we know that the 420, 415 is a very strong resistance level area, and of course the 470 to 490 USDT. Can we go there? It is very likely to go there. Okay, it is very likely. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription for more of these altcoins, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Bye.